Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share this super easy crockpot chicken noodle recipe from the Pioneer Woman. I will have the recipe linked from Pinterest down below. So first I put the chicken in the crockpot and then pour over 2 cans of chicken broth. I just used the Great Value chicken broth from Walmart. And then you're going to add in 2 cans of cream of chicken soup and a whole stick of butter. This is definitely not a healthy recipe. It's not good for you. It's not low calorie, but it's delicious. So every once in a while, it's a really good recipe to make. And then after you add your butter, you're just gonna put your lid on your crock pot and cook it on low for 6 hours. After 6 hours, you're going to take your chicken out of the crock pot and shred it. This day I just used 2 forks to shred it, but you could throw it in your mixer or use a hand mixer to shred it up real quick. Once your chicken is all shredded up, you're going to add it back into the crock pot and then put in a whole bag of the Ream's egg noodles. I buy mine from the freezer section at Walmart. And the recipe does not call for this, but I add cheese whiz to the broth. It just helps to thicken it up and add some cheesiness, and I figure we're already putting in a whole stick of butter, so a little cheese whiz isn't gonna hurt any. And I just eyeball it. I think when I made this, I just wanted to use up the rest of what I had in the fridge, so I put the rest of the jar in. Once the cheese whiz is added, you're going to replace the lid and then cook it for 2 more hours, stirring about every 30 minutes. While that was cooking, I made some broccoli in the air fryer. It was supposed to be a Parmesan broccoli, but I totally forgot the Parmesan, but it turned out really good. I think it's okay that I didn't put the Parmesan cheese in it because the chicken noodles were kind of cheesy, so it would have been 2 dishes that were cheesy. So the broccoli turned out being more like garlicky and red pepper, so it was really good. And I'll have that recipe linked below too if you wanted to follow that. So that was our supper. It was so good, and the leftover chicken noodles are even better the next day. Plus, the cleanup is really easy because all I had to do was wash the crock pot and the air fryer and whatever dishes that we used. So I feel like this is a perfect weeknight meal that you don't really have to pay attention to, but it turns out really good and everybody's gonna love it. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time.